What's up, everybody? It's Tire Guy Ty. We're on another service call, except for there's construction. There's construction. And I'm trying to go, but there's construction. Anyways, we got a blowout on our trailer, so we're gonna go put a new one on. I don't know if you can see it in the back there. There's two little zigzag styles, so we're gonna get them put on, get them rolling, get them happy, and we're gonna go eat some supper because then I'm hungry. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll try to film. It's a little raining outside, but we'll see what we can do for you guys. Alright, everybody, got them done. You only wanted the one today, which is fine. I mean, the other tire was fairly new. Usually I like doing them in pairs just so they match. But yeah, we got him rolling. He's happy. He's good. He knows that if he ever has an issue in our area, he's just going to give me a shout. Anyways, yeah, have yourself a good evening. Ciao. CO for me, laid up in the shade of a coconut tree. And let's go to hell, but there's somewhere I'd rather be. So it's ME, XICO for me.